Have you ever wondered how to start your own small-scale aquaculture? Welcome to the fascinating world of farming beneath the water's surface. Today we're delving into the realm of small-scale aquaculture, a thriving industry with immense benefits. It's not just about the lure of a steady income stream, though that's definitely a plus. Aquaculture also offers the promise of a sustainable and nutritious food source right at your fingertips. Imagine raising your own school of fish, nurturing them from tiny fry to full-fledged adults. We'll be focusing on two species that have proven to be excellent choices for aquaculture beginners, the hardy tilapia and the adaptable catfish. Both species are perfect for those just dipping their toes into aquaculture, offering robust yields and a forgiving learning curve. So, are you ready to dive into this aquatic adventure? If you've always wanted to dive into the world of aquaculture, this is your chance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more farming tips and tricks. Starting your own small-scale aquaculture may seem daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can make it happen. Let's dive right in and discuss what you'll need to kickstart this journey. First and foremost, you'll need a suitable piece of land. The size largely depends on the scale at which you intend to farm, but keep in mind that you'll need space not just for the fish ponds, but also for storage, processing, and waste management facilities. Your land should ideally be in a location with a mild climate, since extreme temperatures can affect the health of your fish. Next, you'll require a steady and reliable source of water. This could be a well, a borehole, a river, or even a lake. Remember, the quality of water is just as important as its quantity. It should be clean, free from pollutants, and have the right pH level for your chosen fish species. In terms of initial capital, be prepared for some upfront costs. These include land acquisition if you don't already own one, construction of fish ponds, purchase of fingerlings, that's baby fish for those of you new to the lingo, and initial feed supply. You'll also need to set aside some funds for operational costs like regular water testing and maintenance. Now, before you dive headfirst into this venture, arm yourself with knowledge. Do your research. Understand the market dynamics, the demand for different fish species, and their growth patterns. Read up on common fish diseases and how to prevent them. Reach out to other aquaculture farmers and learn from their experiences. Planning is crucial too. Develop a business plan detailing your goals, the time frame, and the resources you'll need. This not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it easier to secure funding if needed. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step. And in this case, that step is being well prepared and informed. With these essentials, you're well on your way to starting your own aquaculture farm, but what's next? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into choosing the right fish species for your farm in the next segment. And if you're finding this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more farming know-hows. Choosing the right fish species is a crucial step in starting your aquaculture farm. Now you might wonder, among the myriad of fish species available, which ones should you choose for your farm? Well, two popular choices among many aquaculture farmers are tilapia and catfish. Let's dive into why these species are often the go-to options. First off, tilapia and catfish are both known for their hardiness. They are resilient and can thrive under various environmental conditions. This means they're less likely to succumb to disease, reducing your potential losses, and making them an excellent choice for beginners in aquaculture. Next, let's talk about growth. Both tilapia and catfish are fast growers. Tilapia can reach market size in as little as 6 months, while catfish can take about a year. This fast growth means you can start making a return on your investment sooner, rather than later. Finally, we can't ignore market demand. Both tilapia and catfish are widely consumed, not just in the United States, but globally. This means there's always a market for your fish, making your aquaculture venture potentially profitable. Now, it's essential to note that while these species are hardy, they do have optimal conditions for growth. They both thrive in warm water, so if you're in a colder climate, you might need to consider heating your pond or choosing a different species. Now that you've chosen your fish species, it's time to prepare their new home. A well-designed fish pond can make all the difference in your aquaculture journey. To begin with, selecting the right location for your fish pond is paramount. You want a place that's easily accessible, yet shielded from harsh weather conditions. It should also be near a reliable water source. Remember, the goal is to create a comfortable, sustainable environment for your fish. Next, we're on to preparing the pond bed. Now, this isn't just about digging a hole in the ground. You need to consider the depth, size, and shape of your pond. A shallow area is great for spawning, while deeper areas provide shelter for your fish. The size of your pond should match the number of fish you plan to raise. And as for the shape, go for a design that allows easy harvesting and efficient water circulation. Once your pond bed is ready, it's time to install a liner. This step is crucial in preventing water loss through seepage. And while it's possible to have a pond without a liner, it's certainly not advisable, especially for beginners. And now, the exciting part, filling your pond with water. But don't just pour in any water. The quality of the water you use is vital for the health and growth of your fish. Make sure it's free from contaminants and maintains a balanced pH level. A good aeration system can help maintain oxygen levels, and a filtration system will keep the water clean. Now you might be thinking, how do I maintain the water quality? Regular testing is key. Check for parameters like temperature, oxygen levels, pH, and ammonia levels. Address any issues promptly to prevent harm to your fish. To wrap it up, creating a fish pond isn't a walk in the park, but it's certainly achievable with the right information and dedication. It's a continuous cycle of learning and adjusting until you find what works best for your fish. With your pond set up, you're ready to welcome your new fish. Getting your fish and caring for them properly is the key to a successful aquaculture farm. Now let's dive into where you can buy your fish. Local hatcheries or fisheries are the most common source. Here you can get young fish, also known as fingerlings. When choosing your fish, look for active, healthy specimens. Ensure they're free from any visible diseases or deformities. Once you've got your fish, introducing them to their new home is crucial. This process is called acclimation. Start by placing the bag of fish in the pond water, allowing it to float for about 15 minutes. This helps the water in the bag match the pond's temperature. After this, open the bag, and gradually mix pond water with the bag water. Over the next hour, continue adding small amounts of pond water to the bag. This slow introduction helps the fish adjust to the new water conditions, minimizing shock. Now, onto feeding and caring for your fish. Fish food pellets are a great option, providing balanced nutrition. Feed your fish twice a day, in the morning and evening. But remember, overfeeding can lead to waste and poor water quality, so be mindful of how much you're giving them. Monitoring their health and growth is vital. Keep a keen eye on your fish's behavior. Are they eating well? Are they swimming normally? Are their scales shiny and smooth? These are all indicators of good health. If you notice anything unusual, it's time to consult a vet or an aquaculture expert. Remember, your fish are living creatures. Just like any other livestock, they need proper care and attention. It's not just about feeding them and forgetting them, it's about creating an environment where they can thrive. Regularly clean your pond, maintain the right water temperature and pH level, and always ensure your fish have enough oxygen. These may seem like small tasks, but they make a big difference in your fish's health and happiness. With proper care, your fish will thrive, providing you with a steady source of income and food. So take your time, do your research, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Happy farming! Starting your own small-scale aquaculture is a rewarding journey that can provide many benefits. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, so let's take a moment to recap. We began by diving into the basics of aquaculture, understanding the incredible potential it holds for both personal and commercial use. It's not just about rearing fish, it's about creating a sustainable cycle that can provide not only nutritious food, but also a source of income. We then moved on to discuss the essentials needed to kickstart your aquaculture journey. From selecting a suitable location to obtaining the right equipment, planning is key to setting a solid foundation. Next, we delved into the importance of choosing the right fish species. Remember, tilapia and catfish are great choices for beginners due to their hardy nature and adaptability, but always consider your local climate and market demand in your decisions. Setting up your fish pond is another crucial step. It's not just digging a hole in the ground, it's about creating a conducive environment for your fish to thrive and grow. Finally, we explored the joys of getting your fish and caring for them. Regular feeding, continuous monitoring, and timely interventions are paramount to ensure a healthy and productive aquaculture farm. Remember, like any farming endeavor, success in aquaculture comes with patience and dedication. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming insights. Happy farming!